Welcome one more time to EVICE Auto channel, and in this video I'm gonna introduce you to the Auto Fanatic detailing brand. This is my favorite detailing products in the whole market. In my opinion, is in the top 5 brands, and in this video not only I'm gonna present you every single product the brand has, but also the iteration, the upgrades, or if you want, the evolution that it has since I guess 2018 when I first bought the first product, okay, until today, to 2023. So I'm gonna explain from the wheel cleaner to the gloss enhancer, ceramic spray detailer, the shampoo or car soap, the tire dressings, okay, and the products for polishing and enhancing, etc. up to the latest product, which is the hyper gloss ceramic waterless wash. Okay, I'm gonna explain everything in detail. So as I said, let me pick up the camera in my hand and I'm gonna give you a little bit of story about this brand. Let's go for it. Auto Fanatic started as a YouTuber with content about cars. He started his own YouTube channel in the summer of 2017. His channel was based on videos about a nice red Mustang GT350. But shortly after starting on YouTube, he uploaded this video explaining his method of washing cars. That video hooked me to his channel and I became a subscriber. I contacted him by email telling that I also wanted a microfiber map, and a few days later I received it at home. I recommend that you take a look at his older videos. Here I show you some examples. Wash buckets on wheels, winter maintenance car wash, some must-have equipment for your garage, some oil changes, etc. You can appreciate that I have taken many ideas for my channel EVICE Auto. This American channel is the one that have influenced me the most and on which I've based myself to create my own channel years later. Eventually, Auto Fanatic launched his line of detailing products, his wheel cleaner, his spray detail, his shampoo, etc. And on top of that, he has a very cool collection of cars, including a Giulia Quadrifoglio, another blue Mustang GT350R, a Ferrari 355 red, and currently a BMW M3 G80 as a daily driver. If you are passionate about cars like I am, I recommend you to subscribe to his channel. Alright, let's start with the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaner. Now, late 2018, I bought the first version of Auto Fanatic wheel cleaning foam. I bought it in December 2018. Now, this is Genesis. This was everything for the brand. Okay, the brand started with this amazing wheel cleaning foam. I have to say that it was at the time the only wheel cleaning that was foamy. And in 2020, in the channel, I could link you the video here. I use it with this IKEA Foam 9 sprayer. Okay, you have to pump it manually or with a compressor. But now, you see, over the time, this brand upgraded or enhanced the product. From a liter, it passed to a mega concentrated version, which is half a liter or 16 ounces. Okay, this was the first iteration. Then you see it switched a little bit color, or it's not only the color, but the bottle is a little bit different. Okay, and now in 2023 we have an even better formula, which is this like kind of yellowish. And the way that I use it now, it changes a little bit. Okay, so in the older days I used the sprayer IK. Now the trend is to use a foam cannon, and I found the best foam cannon that suits for this version. Okay, this is like a watering can bottle, and I put over that the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. You will see that. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a explicit video apart from about this wheel cleaner and all the versions or all the ways that you can use it with the foam cannon, with a manual pump which is battery powered, as well as the old fashioned. You will see that. I have to say that this is the best seller of the brand, and to me is the best product of the whole lineup. Now, moving into the gloss enhancer, 007 gloss enhancer. This was the first version that the Auto Fanatic made in 2019, I guess. It has excellent shine. It did protect. Okay, it was very easy to use under the sun with humidity, etc., etc. Over the period of time, again over the years, it was enhanced, or if you like, upgraded. So now the new formulas, as you can tell, the color is light lighter, and the new format contains ceramic. Okay, so SiO2. To me, I still prefer the old version, even if it protects less. However, I have to say this is a much better product, easy to use as well, doesn't attract dust, or at least not as much as other products that I have tested in the channel. And the 2023 version, you can see, is even lighter. The color is almost transparent, okay? And it's an outstanding product. It protects, gives shine, easy to use. You can use it also as a drying aid, etc, etc, etc. You will see that. Normally I order it without the sprayer. Why? Because you see, I use it in this solo sprayer, which is a battery power, and it sprays much better the product over the car. Okay, now the third product in the lineup. This is the Auto Fanatic 007 Snow Storm car shampoo, okay, or car soap. There are 2.5 versions, I would say. The first version was this one, which is almost transparent and is quite dense, as you can tell there. Okay, it's an outstanding product at the time. Now the version 2 is much more liquid and it's like kind of blue, and the bottle changed a little bit. Now you have a dispenser there. And the 2023 version, the sticker changed a little bit, it's much more cooler. The bottle is a better bottle, the dispenser also is better, and the color, I mean, the density is almost the same, but it's kind of green to me. So as I said, an outstanding product. You see, it cleans very well. Lubricity is outstanding. It's one of the, I would say, one of the top 5 car shampoos that you can find in the market, and I've tested a lot of them. Like I tested like 30 or so car shampoos. This is the one that I'm gonna use today. Now, in their lineup, the fourth product, I would say this is a tire dressing. Whether you go with whole shot or whether you go with mega gloss, these are the two tire dressings that Auto Fanatic has to offer. My favorite is the whole shot, okay, because it gives kind of a matte finish. If you want like a brilliant finish, you can use it more times. But I have to say that the most popular seller is this one, Mega Gloss, which is shiner, okay, and this is the one I'm gonna use in the next video. I'm gonna discard this and I'm gonna go with the 2023 Mega Gloss version that also has like a cap here to dispense the product easily. You will see, I mean, it lasts a lot, it shines very well, I mean, easy to use, I mean, outstanding product as well. And on to the left, these are what I consider the polishing products. Now, the first polishing product that Auto Fanatic had at the time was the ultimate secret weapon, single step. Back in the days, especially in the East Coast in America, there was a wax product called Wax Daddy Formula 113. That reminds me a lot of that product. You see, this product I use it by hand. I take a microfiber applicator and I use it to take away tar, to take light scratches, etc. You will see that in a moment. Okay, I post you some example here. And as I said, I use it by hand. You can use it in the front fender and behind the wheels, you name it. This was replaced lately with the Moneymaker. And I have the two versions. This is the old version, which is kind of gray or blue if you like, and the newer version, which is enhanced. I'm gonna make an exclusive video about it with a polisher. Okay, it cleans, it corrects, and it protects. You will see that. And finally, the Auto Fanatic Hyper Gloss Ceramic Waterless Wash. This is the last product of the brand. I mean, you can clean a whole car without using water if it's not very dirty, but also protection is amazing. I mean, the durability of it is, as I said, incredible. Also, I will be doing a very cool car with this product soon, okay? So by now, instead of using every single bottle I have on the table, I'm gonna keep with these ones. And in the next video, I'm about to clean a cool car. If you have any doubts, any comments, please leave me below this video in the comment sections. As well, I've been leaving all the links to these products below this video. You can buy this from the Auto Fanatic webpage, also in Amazon, and also if you are here in Europe, also from Details Addicts, okay? if you have any comments or any pictures to send me, any problems, just send me those to info@eviceauto.com. Okay, and without further ado, let's go to a new video here in the channel about washing the car with Auto Fanatic products. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.